做 Lumispa Accent， 它是之前出了这个 Lumispa， 这个是给脸的，这个是给眼睛的。它会有这个小小的东西。 听到吗？然后它是特别专用他们的这个 accent。 这是软的，没了，有差别吗？看得出有差别吗？
These 30 women struggled with under-eye circles and eye bags. They had sagging skin, fine lines, and wrinkles around the eye area. But after using Ageloc Lumispa Accent with Idealeyes for just 1 minute, twice daily, they saw visible results after 12 weeks. 28% reduction in under-eye puffiness, 24% reduction in under-eye circles, 23% reduction in under-eye bags. And that's not all. Professional graders measured clinically and reported 43% lifting above the eye area, 18% firmness of the eyelid, 30% improvements to eyelid crepiness. Other immediate benefits include, and overall, this is what the women had to say about Ageloc Lumispa Accent and Idealeyes. It's time to accentuate your eyes. Get fresher, brighter eyes in just 1 minute.